Good morning, students. So yesterday we started preparation methods of alkyl halides, and now let us going to discuss about the chemical properties of alkyl halides. So already you know that SN1 and SN2 reactions are the chemical reactions of alkyl halides. Now here the some more reactions of alkyl halides. So here first reaction is that reaction with silver oxide. Reaction with silver oxide. So in this case, with silver oxide, then we have two chances: either dry silver oxide or moist silver oxide. Dry silver oxide or moist silver oxide. So with dry silver oxide, the product is diethyl ether. Product is diethyl ether. And now with the moist silver oxide. So actually here with the dry silver oxide, CH3, CH2, Cl and silver oxide, oxygen, AgOAg plus Cl, CH2, Cl. So loss of AgCl, loss of AgCl, we will get the diethyl ether. Now here with the moist silver oxide, alcohol is the product. Alcohol is the product. That means here the Cl minus replaced by the OH minus with water. So generally here the moist silver oxide means that silver oxide on reaction with moist is nothing but water. So we will get the AgOH. So AgOH means here the OH minus is a nucleophile. So this one on reaction with ethyl chloride, the Cl minus replaced by the OH. So that ultimately product is ethyl alcohol. It's a very important reaction. With the dry silver oxide, ether is a product, and with the moist silver oxide, alcohol is the product. Okay? So that is one reaction. And you know these reactions, that is Wurtz reaction. Alkyl halides on heating with the sodium in dry in a solvent, you will get the you will get the alkanes. Now next Fittig reaction. It is also like Wurtz reaction, but in this case aryl halides are only involved. Aryl halides are involved in this case. Wurtz reaction is only between aliphatic aldehydes. In the Fittig reaction, that is the reaction between the aryl halides. That means here chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, hydrobenzene with the sodium. So product is biphenyl. So here two phenyl rings are combined. Two phenyl rings are combined each other, as like in Wurtz reaction. This reaction also takes place. Or suppose here parachlorotoluene or chloromethylbenzene. So this one reaction with the sodium. So here two methyl benzenes are combined. So this is the product. Just it is like a dimerization. So next Wurtz-Fittig reaction. In Wurtz-Fittig reaction, so generally you know that Wurtz reaction between aliphatic aldehydes and Fittig reaction between aromatic aldehydes. So Wurtz-Fittig means it is a reaction between aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes. So here what is aliphatic halide and other one is aromatic halide. So between these two Wurtz type of reaction is nothing but Wurtz-Fittig reaction. You will get the toluene. Methyl benzene is the product. Toluene is the product. Next, Ullmann reaction. Ullmann reaction in the presence of the copper. Ullmann reaction in the presence of the copper. So here aryl halides on heating. Aryl halides on heating with copper, we will get the again same product, biphenyl. So your side product is a CuI2. That means here that Cu0 Cu0 converted to Cu plus 2. Cu0 converted to Cu plus 2. Okay, this is a Ullmann reaction. The heating of aryl halides with copper will get the biphenyl. This is nothing but dimer product. Okay, so these are some chemical reactions of alkyl halides. First is the reaction with the dry silver oxide. It's very important. With the dry silver oxide, either is the product. With the moist silver oxide, alcohol is the product. Okay, with the moist silver oxide, the silver oxide combines with the H2O, that gives AgOH. So Cl minus replaced by the OH minus. And which reaction? Which reaction, you know that studied in first year alkanes. And Fittig reaction, it is also similar to the which reaction. But here, that alkali halide is an arylic halide. Okay? And next, which Fittig reaction? Between aliphatic halide and aromatic halide. And Ullmann reaction in the presence of copper. And similar to this one, there is another reaction also there. So first of all, write down this one. This stopping video. Another reaction also is there. Sixth one, Frank-Land reaction. Frank-Land reaction. Frank-Land reaction is also similar. To which reaction? Either solvent. But here, using zinc only. So product is methyl-methyl combination, ethane, plus side product is ZnCl. Side product is ZnCl. It follows a radical mechanism. Which reaction also follows radical mechanism. So for suppose this is the intramolecular type reaction. So on treating with zinc in either solvent, product is actually it follows a radical mechanism. So in radical mechanism, pi bond, so radical. By the breaking of this pi bond, homolytic breaking of this pi bond. This carbon gains one electron, this carbon gains one electron. So one electron, bond formation. Here one electron, bond formation. So here the product is pi bond. Benzene is the product. Okay, Frank-Land reaction, the presence of zinc. Ullmann reaction, the presence of copper. Which reaction? Fittig reaction. Which Fittig reaction? All these three in the presence of sodium. But here, the nature of reactant is different. One case aliphatic aldehyde, in other case aromatic aldehyde, and which Fittig reaction? Both aliphatic halides and aromatic halides. Okay, they are the chemical properties of the alkyl halides.